Good day, everyone!
So in this video, we're going to talk about compound interest and how to solve them. So I'm here with Danaya, Zine, Biana, and Casey. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
So hello everyone, it's me Zine. So since MC already introduced the topic, now I'm going to discuss the learning outcomes. The learning outcomes is, at the end of the lesson, the learner is able to compute interest, maturity value, and present value in compound interest environment, and solve problems involving compound interest. Lesson outline. Define compound interest. Compute maturity value and present value. First, we will define compound interest. Compound interest is an interest is computed on the principal and also on the accumulated past interest. Next, I'll be presenting to you the formula of maturity value and compound interest. Maturity value and compound interest formula is F equals P times the quantity of 1 plus R raised to the power of T, where P is the principal or present value, F is the maturity value at the end of the term, R is the interest rate, T is the term or time in years. The compound interest is given by compound interest is equal to F minus P.
For further understanding, here are some examples on finding the maturity value and compound interest. Example number 1. Find the maturity value and the compound interest if 10,000 is compounded annually at an interest rate of 2% in 5 years. So in this problem, the maturity value is what being asked. To find the maturity value, the first step that we need to do is to write the given value, which is the present value, 10,000, 2% interest rate, and 5 years term. Since the formula of finding the future value is F equals present value times the quantity of 1 plus R raised to the power of T, therefore, F equals 10,000 times the quantity of 1 plus 0.02, since the 2% of 100 is 0.02 raised to the power of 5. So the answer is future value equals 11,040.081. To find the compound interest, the formula that we need to use is future value minus present value. The future value is 11,040.81 and the present value is 10,000. The answer is 1,040.81. The future value is 11,040.81 and the compound interest is 1,081.
Example 2. Find the maturity value and interest if P, present value, 50,000 is invested at 5% compounded annually for 8 years. Solution. F, or future value, is equal to P, or present value, times the quantity of 1 plus R raised to the power of T. So, F is equal to 50,000, or muna ang atong present value, times the quantity of 1 plus 0.05 times raised to the power of 8. Then, first na to i-equate is ang kaning 1 plus 0.05 raised to the power of 8. So, pero na itong kanon is i-add na to ang 1 sa 0.05. Then, ang answer then is 1.05. I-raise din na to siya to the power of 8, which is ang answer is 1.477455443979 day. Then ato din siyang i-multiply sa atong present value, which is 50,000. Then ato na yung future value is 73,872.77. Then ato din mag-equate po dito sa compound interest, which is compound interest is equal to F minus P. Then IC is equal to 73,872.77, which mao na ang atong future value, minus 50,000 muna atong present value. Then ang kung na yun, ang answer na din niya ang atong IC, which is 23,872.77.
Example number 3. Suppose your father deposited in your bank account 10,000 at an annual interest rate of 0.5% compounded yearly. When you graduate from kindergarten and did not get the amount until you finish grade 12, how much you will have in your bank account after 12 years? Given P is equal to 10,000, R is equal to 0.5% or 0.005, T is equal to 12 years, find the future value. The future value is calculated by F equals P times the quantity of 1 plus R raised to the power of T, where P is 10,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.005 raised to the power of 12 is equal to 10,616.78. The total amount will become 10,616.78 after 12 years. This time, I'll be presenting to you the formula of present value and compound interest. The formula for present value is P is equal to F over the quantity of 1 plus R raised to the power of T, where P is the principal or present value, F is the maturity value at the end of the term, R is the interest rate, and T is term or time in years.
So we have here the example number 4. What is the present value of 50,000 pesos due in 7 years if money is worth 10% compounded annually? So the formula is P is equal to F over 1 plus R to the power of T. So the present value here is 50,000 pesos and the rate is 10% and the time is 7. So it is P is equal to the quantity of 50,000 pesos over 1 plus 0.1 raised to the power of 7. So the answer is P is equal to 25,657.91. So the present value is 25,657.91.
So we have example number 5. So how much money should a student place in a time deposit in a bank that pays 1.1% compounded annually so that he will have 200,000 pesos after 6 years? So the solution, the present value P can be obtained by P is equal to F over the quantity of 1 plus R raised to the power of T. So P is equal to 200,000 pesos, 200,000 over the quantity of 1 plus 0.011 raised to the power of 6. So P is equal to 187,293.65. The answer is the student should deposit 187,293.65 pesos in a bank so that he will have 200,000 pesos after 6 years. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year!